built this motor bicycle, but it's far from perfect. We're gonna change that into this. The biggest problem right now is this dark substance. I want it to be black, not like that. Also, the gears on the bicycle itself don't really work. Okay, here's the plan. Black. I want to convert this into a Café Racer. Handlebars. Crate on the back because I want to go camping. Wild camping. This seat sucks more than a prop on New Year's. Naturally black paint. Then I'm going to take off this sticker because this company doesn't exist anymore and put on some epic stickers. I'll also show you how to attach stickers the easiest way ever. There is a little stand on here now that we got from that kid's bicycle, but we're going to take some off the tandem. You know, tandem. 2 people. Then general maintenance and also the brakes. A new spark plug, NG Kerk, because that one sucks. And I'm also planning to do a lot more to this. Scoured my local China stores, and there's lots of them. Got a combination bicycle lock, tire repair kit, bungee rope, you'll see why, and WD bullshit 40. China. Alright, small problem. Directions for use, shake hand well, saturate 80. Probably area, that's okay, but harmful or fatal if swallowed. Then, do not induce vomiting if swallowed. Don't that mean do not swallow and induce okay, so don't swallow. Do not pierce or bum. do not pierce or bum even when empty. Do not expose. So let's get to it. We started by undoing all of our hard work, hoping that it'll be worth the trouble. With this done, I can now start sanding the frame. The stickers are my main focus, as this bicycle is ancient and it won't come off by hand. I used to cycle to school on this bicycle, so there's a feeling of anti-nostalgia rising inside of me. You know, like taking something nostalgic and changing it. Luckily, this was more satisfying than peeing barefoot outdoors. But when I was done, it looked like I've done something sinister to a Smurf. While Swati was applying the primer, I got to work on the handlebars. And after a good tug, they were rust-free. Spickeries. Now onto paint. This is 2K paint. There's 2 components, the paint itself and the hardener. After achieving the correct consistency, it was time for the biggest part of the makeover. Immediately painting this bicycle seemed like a great idea. And since the paint dries quickly, 3 coats were applied, lach. While the frame dries, I got on with, I can't sneeze. So I'm gonna take this sticker off. I've got a whole pack of stickers from Temu. So I'm putting these on the tank, but not on the body. The body is right over here by me. Tomorrow afternoon we'll put it all together. Put these stickers on the tank, and then afterwards I'm going to clean all of the brakes and gears and everything else that there is. I'm going to teach you guys a trick when it comes to stickers that you can use on any sticker and any surface. And this is going to allow you to put the sticker down and then move it in place or work out any air bubbles if you need to. First, lay out the stickers with some press stick. Wondergom. I'll give you some wondergom. It looks like it's going to come off easy, but looks can be deceiving, ek sê. Oh yeah, boy.
Yeah, boy.
Yes.
Here it comes. Almost there.
Ah! Sorry, I just came to the realization that this is cool. ASMR. Okay, this I'm going to take off as well. It just tells you how much oil to put in. Dank. Now, I'm going to clean it with some thinners. Make nice and clean. Check it out. Slight problem. China. These stickers are cool, but they don't want to come off. If you try, the only part that comes loose is that paper. Then once you've done that, you need to beg it. In your butt. And I've got so many stickers. Fuck you, China. Temu. Yes, it was cheap, time is money, and this is going to take forever. Ah, there we go. Finally. Remove the back of your sticker. Bucket with sunlight liquid water, dishwashing liquid, and a little cloth. Lightly dab the cloth. Then you stick it. Oh no, wrong place. Ah, take it off. Quick sticks. No stress, no fuss, no coconuts, no cock. Now I'm gonna do the rest. I promise you the trick works, it just doesn't work on old Temu stickers. Any sticker, any surface. Got a shoe and I've got a mushroom. So I'm gonna combine them. Oh no, come on, man. Boom. It's finally done. It looks like a toddler did it. Up close you can see all the imperfections, but from far you can't. No? In Afrikaans we say, mooi van ver, maar ver van mooi. Beautiful from afar, but far from beautiful. 9 o'clock in the evening. I've been up since 3 o'clock this morning to edit videos. Even though I'm not monetized on YouTube, just do it for the love, for now. So subscribe and, Crushing depression aside, the day has finally come, and slowly it's all coming together. But naturally it's never all smooth sailing. Because of the new handlebars, the front brakes cable was too short. But I had a plan. You are not going to like this. Yes!
It's gonna be unrideable. I promise you this.
But it's going to look fucking cool. It will work. So we turned the handlebars around, like the Café Racer that I planned it to be. If it's stupid, but it works, it's not stupid. After Bundu fixing the gasket that I blew, we attached the tank and installed the new spark plug, among other things. As always, we did some questionable things. Nothing can't be solved without enough lube or a grinder. Finally, the transformation is complete. The new stickers gave the motor bicycles some much needed personality. The brand new second-hand handlebars make for a fantastically back-breaking ride. At least the seat is mildly comfortable and it no longer needs a paint can to stand up. All in all, this build came out looking great. And now it's time to take it on the adventure that it deserves, before selling it for mega bucks. Hopefully. Thanks for watching. Please help me monetize. Seriously, my view time is going down. And if I can monetize, I can do some pretty cool projects. So stick around. You might just learn nothing.